Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be briefly reviewing Factor 75, which is a meal kit delivery service that offers healthy, gourmet, pre-cooked meals. Now, I've tried a bunch of dishes over the week, and I'll be talking about the taste of each and who I think the service might be for. And of course, if you'd like to go straight to pricing or an exclusive discount on your Factor 75 subscription, you'll find all the links you need in the description down below. Now, once I received my order, I was pretty impressed with how everything was packaged. The food arrived in a securely sealed box with insulation materials and ice packs to ensure the meal stayed fresh. The individual meals were packed in containers that were microwave and oven safe, and they were tightly sealed with no leakage. I also appreciated that the containers were easily recyclable. Now let's get to the good stuff, the taste. First, I want to talk about the meals that really stood out to me and left me wanting more. First, I started with the grass-fed beef with chimichurri sauce. This beef was cooked to perfection and topped with the delicious chimichurri sauce. The chimichurri sauce was made with fresh parsley, cilantro, garlic, and red pepper flakes. It gave it a really nice kick. And on the side, it had roasted sweet potatoes, which added a nice sweetness to balance out the savory beef and sauce. Then I tried the wild-caught salmon with roasted vegetables, and I was a bit skeptical about the dish, but I was left speechless. The salmon fillet was well seasoned and roasted, and that was perfectly paired with crunchy vegetables, which was a mix of broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. And lastly, it had a little squeeze of lemon juice on top, which added a really nice brightness to the flavor. I don't know how to describe it really. Last but not least, my absolute favorite meal was the grass-fed beef lasagna. As a huge fan of Italian cuisine, I really wanted to enjoy this dish, and it definitely exceeded my expectations. The beef was tender and flavorful, and the layers of pasta and ricotta cheese added a delicious, comforting texture to the dish. The tomato sauce was well seasoned and complemented with other ingredients perfectly without overpowering the flavors of the beef and cheese. And finally, the lasagna is topped with a layer of melted mozzarella cheese, which added a really nice gooiness to the flavor of the dish. Overall, the dish had an incredibly rich and savory flavor, and I was really satisfied. Now, not every dish is a hit on Factor 75, as some left me unsatisfied and a little bit disappointed with how they tasted. Then we have the beef stroganoff. Even though the beef in this dish was tender and flavorful, I found the overall dish to be really heavy and rich. The sauce was really creamy and had a strong flavor of sour cream, which wasn't appealing to me. Additionally, the egg noodles were a bit overcooked, leaving them feeling mushy and lacking in texture. Now, despite a couple of dishes that didn't quite hit the spot for me, I still overall had a positive experience with Factor 75. They offered a diverse range of options to suit various dietary requirements and preferences. Also, one thing that really stood out to me was the portion sizes, as I never felt like I was left hungry or needed to supplement my meal with additional snacks or sides. Overall, I appreciated the convenience and quality of the meals provided by Factor 75. Now, Factor 75 is a great option for individuals who prioritize health and fitness, but also have busy schedules. It's an excellent meal delivery service because it takes the guesswork out of meal planning and preparation, since you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without the time and effort required to shop for groceries and cook from scratch. Wow, I hate shopping. This is especially beneficial for people who are always on the go and don't have the luxury of spending hours and hours in the kitchen or at the grocery store. Also, Factor 75 is great for people who follow specific diets like paleo or keto, since they offer a range of meal options that are tailored to those lifestyles. The meals are designed to provide the necessary macronutrients to support these diets, ensuring that you're getting the right balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbs, which means that you can stick to their diets without having to spend your time researching recipes or meal planning. Lastly, Factor 75 is a good fit for anyone who wants to eat healthy, high-quality meals without sacrificing the taste or convenience. You can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals that are made with high-quality, whole food ingredients. They're also portion controlled, so you can avoid overeating and maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, the meals are delivered right to your door, making it really easy and convenient to enjoy healthy meals without leaving your house. Now, if you want to give Factor 75 a try yourself and form your own opinion on the food, feel free to use the link below to grab a discount with your next purchase. All in all, my experience was mostly positive, and I would definitely try it again, especially since most of the meals were delicious and rich in flavor. Everything looked mouthwatering regardless of the ones that missed. Additionally, Factor 75 provides a hassle-free solution for people who want to enjoy high-quality and healthy meals with their expertly crafted dishes prepared by professional chefs and nutritionists. Factor 75 is really an excellent choice for anyone seeking a convenient and nutritious meal delivery service. And that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, feel free to leave a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the description down below, and subscribe because I've got more meal kit reviews on the way. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.